Do you want to land on the first page of Google?
Oh my God, yes!
I'm going to show you a step-by-step of the quickest way of speeding up your WordPress website to reach a 95+ score. Hi, I'm Maria, the how-to girl at 10web. 10web is an all-in-one platform for building, hosting, and managing your WordPress websites. With 10web, your website automatically gets a Google page score of 95+. Over the years, we've gained an in-depth understanding of the issues WordPress users have and how to fix them. Some things we're going to look at in this video: why it's crucial to have a high WordPress website speed, what slows your website down, what you can do to maximize your website speed, and finally, how to optimize your WordPress website speed with 10web. We've got a great deal for our viewers, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to get notifications from us when we have great deals and more videos. I've got a question for you. What is your current WordPress website speed? Leave it in the comments below. Load speed of your website has major effects on your web traffic, so that in turn affects your business. So if it takes your website more than 3 seconds to load, you have no chance of appearing on the first page of Google search. Think of it this way. If you were stuck in traffic, would you rather take a route that was probably longer, or would you stay there? About 52% of people prefer to leave the page, and they actually spend more time searching for similar websites than waiting for a slow loading page. Keep in mind that people expect your website to load in 2 seconds or less. This is especially true for e-commerce sites. So if it takes longer than 2 seconds, people are just going to take their shopping somewhere else. When people leave, you get less conversion, bad reviews, and your sales go down, driving your business through the mud. Fast-loading websites drive sales up. When you optimize your website speed, you're actually improving the user experience, which helps you grow your business. So what affects the speed of your website? Some of the main reasons are your HTML pages are not caching, meaning they're not being saved to be delivered quickly. Synchronous loading, or loading of data when it's not needed. You may have large JavaScript or CSS files. You may have a big amount of traffic on your website, or your host may not have fast enough servers. The good news is we can fix it. We can start by minimizing our files, like optimization of images, compressing JavaScript or CSS files into gzip, enabling caching, and more. Before we get into it, I have an interesting insight. It takes about 2 weeks to speed up your WordPress website. I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of hours. All right, so we have a website here. We're going to check its speed and then optimize it. So let's copy the URL here. Go to Google Speed Test. And let's paste our URL here and analyze. All right, we have a mobile speed of 13 and a desktop speed of 41. Not good at all. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to 10web.io, start a 7-day free trial, and once you fill out all the information it asks you, you will be presented with a page like this. So let's click on Add Website, and we're going to connect or migrate our website. So click Next, and here are the instructions of how to do this. So the first step is to go to our WordPress dashboard. So let's do that now, and we'll take it from there. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. We will be installing the 10web Manager. Add New, 10web Manager. Install now. And let's go ahead and activate that. Once this activates, you will see it on the left of your dashboard. Click there, and let's go ahead and connect. This will connect your website to the 10web dashboard. right, great. We've successfully connected. After we connect our website, let's go to speed up your website. And we're going to make a copy of the website. So we're going to optimize the copy of the website. Your live website will not be affected. So let's click on copy my website and choose a subdomain and choose the data center that's closest to you. Then click next. Copying of the website has started, and this will take a little bit of time, so hang in there and we'll move forward after it's been done. Great. Your website has been copied, so let's start optimization. First order of business is to optimize our images. Let's click on Image Optimizer, and let's enable that now. Great. So we have three options here. We're going to choose the balanced, which is 40% reduction up to 40%, and click on Optimize Now. Great, all images have been optimized. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Hosting Services, Tools, and we're going to clear the cache. Great. So next step is to install the 10-web optimizer. So let's go into the plugins, all plugins. Add plugins, and we're going to install the 10-web speed optimizer. Great. After this has installed, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. And we're going to optimize in the dashboard, go into the plugins, find the speed optimizer, and click on the settings. And here we're going to optimize the speed. So we have lazy load of images, and we can lazy load background images and exclude any images from lazy load. We can gzip our CSS and JavaScript files, include inline JavaScript or CSS files, and exclude them. So after you have checked off all the options and written what you need to include or exclude, make sure to hit the Save Settings and make sure to clear cache. So once this has also been done, we're going to go back to our WordPress, back to our 10-web dashboard, and we're going to go to our hosting services again, tools, and clear cache once again. All right, now for the moment of truth. Let's go to our website, copy the URL, go to Google Speedtest, paste our URL here, and analyze. This is the URL of the copy we made. And so let's see what the results are. All right, we have a mobile speed of 94 and a desktop speed of 97. With a few clicks, this is what we get. So let's compare that to the previous one we did, which was 41 for desktop and 13 for mobile. Huge difference. You've seen the results here. Go to 10web.io, sign up for the 7-day free trial, try it for yourself. That awesome deal I was telling you about in the beginning. We have a 50% discount for all viewers with a coupon code. You can find the code in the description box or on the screen. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you. Have a great day. So you have so what affects that awesome deal I was telling you about in the beginning.